In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. So first, what you want to do is open up your messages. Now, if you don't have that contact anymore, you can just click on more and then click on unblock because maybe you have deleted their chats or whatever. You need to click on the top left and then on the top right on this gear selector icon. Once you have selected that, click on privacy and safety and click on blocked account. Find that account, click on it and then unblock message and calls, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'm gonna do my best to help you.